Hello kids, now it's time for our no screen day activity. So kids, in our today's activity we are going to do a tea party. What we are going to do? Yes, today we will be doing a tea party. Okay, so before starting the tea party, we have to prepare the table for that. Okay, so today you all are going to prepare the table for all your family members. Now I will show you how you are going to prepare the table. So kids, for the tea party you need table and chairs, table mats, coasters. You can use round or square shape whichever you like. You need some small plates, fork and spoon, cup and saucer and napkins. Now kids, as you have collected all the things, we are going to set up the table like this. First of all, you are going to place the table mats on the upper right side of the table and put the plate on the mat. After putting the plate on the mat, you are going to fold the napkin in this way and put it on the left side of the plate. After placing the napkin, you will put the fork on the napkin and on the right side of the plate, you will put the spoon and a small knife. Now, after placing all these things on the upper side of the plate, you are going to put the coaster, and on the coaster you are going to put the cup and saucer, and you can also put a small water glass. Now, you are going to set up this table for all the family members. After setting up the table, I would like to tell you some manners that you should always follow. We will start with number 1. The first manners is you are not going to play while eating the food. You should not play. Now the second rule is you should not reach for the food on your own. Okay, you can ask someone who is sitting next to you to give you the thing whichever you need. Then you should always be grateful for whatever you are getting to eat. Then you should always put the napkin in your lap before eating the food. Then the next thing is you should always keep your hands clean while eating the food. Then you should always hold the silverware correctly. You should always hold the fork and spoon in a proper way. You should always put the hats off while eating food. You should sit straight. Do not put elbows on the table. And you should always eat by keeping your mouth closed. And the most important thing is whenever you are asking for something, you should say please. And the one who is helping you to get the thing, you should always say them thank you.
So dear students, after first and second activity, it's time for third activity. So let us understand how we have to do this activity at our home. Okay students? So come on, let us start. Hey kids, so the name of our third activity is Welcome to my tea party. And before starting the activity, request all the family members to dress up for the party. And student, in this tea party, you can serve soft drinks, pastry, or whatever you like. And the resources we need in this activity are one music system or a speaker and a table that has been set up in activity 2. Now kids, see and listen how you have to do the activity. Firstly, stand at the entrance of the room where the tea party is set up. Then welcome the family member as they arrive with the words, Welcome to my tea party. Now tell the family member that they will be playing a game called Freeze Dance. Explain them that you will be playing music to which they have to dance and freeze in the position they are in when the music stops. Get the tea party started by playing some music. Invite all the family members to start dancing and you can also join in each time. Let the family members enjoy the freeze dancing game for some time. Now, after this game, invite the family member to gather around the table that has been set up for the tea party and enjoy the party. After that, describe the sequence of laying the table to the family members. And the parents have to motivate the child to exhibit the etiquettes he learnt in activity 2. And parent, please encourage your child to clap for himself or herself for completing another successful no screen day. So students, in this way we'll complete our no screen day activity. So thank you and bye bye students.